Welcome to the channel, guys. My name is Michael, and if you're looking for information about opening a new bank account, a new personal bank account, you have come to the right place. So what I'm going to talk about in this video is how to open a personal bank account and the required documents, the document your bank is going to need for you to be able to get the account open. So I've got a few slides that we're gonna go through here regarding the documents we're going to need. So we'll get into this. Thanks for watching, guys. Right, on the first slide we've got the table A core identification items. So you have 6 options, but you only need one. So you can either use a passport, a full UK driving license, a military ID card, EU national ID card, or a driving license, a EU driving license, or even EEA driving license. And you can also use a biometric resident permit. So you only need one of this from the table A core identification items. So now we'll move to the table B to see what we're going to need. Right, so on the table B core address verification items, so you have 9 options, and you only need to have one of this. So you can either use a bank statement from a different bank that you might have been banking with in the past. You can use that. You can also use a group bank statement. You can also use a council tax bill. You can also use a utility bill. So for example, you have your contract phone, so you can just go onto your utility bill. You can download your statement for whoever your phone is with. You can just log in and get it downloaded. You can also use that as address verification on the table B. And if you have a mortgage, you can also use your mortgage statement or solicitor or mortgage correspondence. You can also use a HMRC letter, a tenancy agreement, a credit union statement. So a lot of people have a credit union, especially in the UK. So there's so many people that have credit union, like from no age at all. And you can also use finally a full UK driving license or a provisional license. So you only need one from this table B core address verification and one from the table A identification. So one of each, and then you're good to go. You can open a bank account. That will be enough for any bank you want to open an account with, a personal bank account, of course. Right, so we're going to move to the next slide. So there are some particular situations where you don't have anything from the table A identification, or you don't have anything from the table B identification. So before we move to this next slide, so there is still a way to get the account open even if you don't have any of this table A identification or the table B address verification items, but you have to be able to give your bank a very valid reason why you do not have one of this before they can give you the option to use what I'm about to talk about in the next slide here. Right, so on this slide here we've got remember, this is up to the discretion of your bank that you want to open an account with. If you're able to give them a very valid reason as to why you don't have the main thing. So let's get into this. So table A non-core identification items. So you can use a benefits agency document. So if you're claiming any benefit, maybe disability or maybe child benefit or any benefit at all, you can use this. If you also have a electoral ID, maybe you registered that you're able to vote in the country, and then normally you do get like a electoral ID card. A lot of people don't have it, but you also have a letter as well, but you get what I mean. And the next one is the HMRC letter, UK birth certificate, refugee if you're a refugee, so you have a document or an agreement. and then you can also use that, give that to the bank. A foster care agreement, letter of introduction from school. So if you're still in school, you can get one of the teachers or the principal to write a letter of introduction. So basically they're vouching for you, and you can also use that. And then we'll move to the table B. So table B, non-core address verification. So if you're still like 21 or younger and you're still living at your parent address, you can use one of their letters or one of their bank statements, or again benefit agency documents, or again foster care agreements. So you can see the list is getting narrowed down a little bit, but you normally wouldn't need to have to use any of this, because there is a lot of options for you to pick from the ideal table A identification and also the ideal table B address verification. So once you have all of this, you should be good to go, and you should be able to get a bank account open. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope I've been able to help you one way or the other, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video if you want. Thank you guys, and have a good day. See you on the next one. Bye.